Wow. Oh my gosh. Why can I smell dog food? Hello, today we're testing another haul of kitchen gadgets, part of a massive playlist here on the channel, so please check out the rest of the videos after this very video. Today, thanks to Emily on Instagram, there's a company called Temu. Ching! I'd not heard of them before. They're a lot like wish.com. I've done some of those on the playlist already, and yes, some of them have arrived. Oh my gosh. Alright, so as always, before commenting down below, please consider that some tools can help people with certain disadvantages in the kitchen and generally help them carry out certain tasks. However, with Temu and things like wish.com, with the price, I would probably recommend you get something a bit better quality, but hey, that's our role today. First up, nice quick one. These are some silicone air fryer, or I guess you could put them in the oven, cake pan liner things. 30 for 80p. And it's not the most exciting start, but look, this video right here was me in the supermarket last night. That was 25 very similar things, £2.70. Ultimately, as long as it works, and it looks absolutely fine, then that's actually a bit of a bargain, isn't it? So we're gonna just quickly air fry a cake. Anyhow, let's clean a salad with a cool tool. This, for the bargain of £1.49, I am gonna wash all of these. I'm not gonna show you that scene. Looks like a hat. It's not. It's a kitchen washing basket, but will it get my Barry Lewis seal of approval? I think this is actually quite cool. You could probably 3D print this as well. Massive shout out to George, who's helping me with the second round of 3D printed kitchen gadgets. Expect that one fairly soon. We need a salad for one of the other gadgets in just a moment, but I think the best point for this would be to add in rice. You know, when recipes and when you're cooking rice in generally, it's best to sort of wash it through until the water runs clear. Now, if I just add some water, look, it's all cloudy and murky. So we can pour that water away. See, the rice is not going through those holes. I just did that like 4 times and it is way better, but obviously you keep doing that. I blooming love that. That is so simple. For like just over £1, that is a bargain. Now, we need salad. Yeah, so you know you buy a bagged salad from the supermarket and you hear all those stories about slugs and stuff being in? I was gonna say, oh yeah, that's never happened to me, but you never know. I don't always look when I'm eating a salad. But this, for washing the salad, that is amazing. We've got our wash salad. If only there was a way to enhance it with some olive oil with a spray bottle. That's where this comes in. And yes, that does actually say edible spray bottle. It's generally come in a package it looks like someone's already held it. There's like oil stains on it. It feels secondhand. They had a variety of colours available because it should come with a funnel, apparently. I opted for blue. There's no funnel. No. It's supposed to come with a funnel to make pouring in your fluids easier. Others give you uneven spraying. Oh, the cake might be ready. I haven't even checked it, it's probably burnt. Ours gives you 100% continuous spray. Look at that. I don't really want a continuous spray. We can try it though. I've filled it with some water so I can clear through the actual spray nozzly thing. Gutted about the funnel, that would be really helpful. Let's just actually go like aftershave. That's quite wide, look at that. Wow. It is quite hot in here today, so yeah, I'll do that. Oh wow, I feel like I'm in Disney World. That might not make sense to a lot of people. Salad, ooh. I want to enhance it. Olive oil. This is some red wine vinegar rather than balsamic. Oh wow, look at that. Put a nozzly nozzle on. This actually doesn't feel like the worst quality for what it is. It feels like we're gonna put aftershave on a salad. Heston Blumenthal does fish and chips in one of his restaurants. I forget what that is, when they actually spray like salt and vinegar mist into the air to give you the experience of being by the seaside. And I'm getting that, I'm getting vinegary vibes. So it smells like a jolly old portion of chips by the seaside in the UK. But it tastes like a washed salad. That'll do though. That's 2 gadgets with that. That's actually quite impressive. All right, just wanted to show you the cake. I've just put a skewer through it. Has genuinely worked. It's held its shape. Yeah, they've worked. They're liners. They'll do the job. So normally with the gadget videos, I sign them and give them away to Patreon. When I've done Wish ones in the past, they've been like, no, I'm not sure people want it, but these are genuinely good today. So good luck to the Patreon that gets that. I had to buy some random stuff whilst I was on this website, and I picked up these £8 men's foam running shoes because they looked bizarre. Oh my gosh. Oh, it feels like foam, all right. Wow. I've got to be honest, they don't feel. I've actually worn far worse shoes for a lot more money. Like maybe very comfortable for walking around the garden, just pottering around. It just feels like it's pinching a little bit. But they're just bizarre looking, aren't they? Look at that. Might keep them on for a minute. Anyhow, in this box for £8.48, this is a one-piece electric tin can opener. It says restaurant battery operated, which means you can only use it with batteries from restaurants. No, it just apparently just standard double A's. Now I've had one of these before, a lot more expensive than this, at least double. And not all of them have this. It's got a magnet which will hold the lid. Right, let's open a few tins. Don't know what that's going on there. There's like an indent. Like, is that where you put the batteries? Ah, I think this is where the Temu thing, like it's made obviously in bulk in a factory, but they might offer someone to be able to put like their company logo actually in this bit. I bought some chicken breast in a tin. I have never had that before. I thought it'd go well with our sprayed salad. We've got a standard height tin. We're gonna use this on a filling for something very simple in a bit, but I broke the ring pull on it intentionally. And I thought I'd do one more where I've got the ring pull off. I just snapped this a moment ago and it's like, oh no, I can't open my tin because it's half gone. Just checking the instructions. Yeah, we just line this up so that sits in here and hopefully we'll have a can of chicken. What? Oh no, why? Did you see it kind of went, why did that not work? Oh my God, stop. I can smell something. I don't know if it's the motor burning out or the chicken. Why can I smell dog food? That has done it, that has done it, that has done it. But why isn't the magnet helping me? Help me, magnet. Oh my gosh. Oh, Boston would love that. I hate anything like this, like Spam, anything processed. Oh my gosh. Oh, and there's jelly in there. Quite salty. So let's try it again on our scenario where we've broken our ring pull. Locking it right in. I'm putting it tight, okay? But that magnet, has it done it? No, it's not. What has gone on there then? Oh, that isn't looking good at all. I think I know what it is. This rubber bit here is a little bit faulty. It's actually bent. Can you see that? Oh no, that's what, Boston! Oh my gosh! Sorry, it wasn't me, it was these massive shoes. Now that's completely bent. I love how during that scene, Mrs. B just walked in, grabbed a drink and shook her head. Just walked back out like, what are you doing? No, I think it's broken, folks, but at least we got one tin out of it. And to be fair, these things can sometimes be incredibly useful, but all the ones we've used in the past haven't been £8.
What are they?
They are £8 trainers.
They look horrendous. Like you were trying to be some kind of shark boy.
How the tables have turned.
Is that a bit that's fallen off of them?
What?
Is that a bit that's come off of them?
Oh, that might be from a tin opener actually. Oh my gosh, Mrs. B, yeah. Look at them. For £2 more, and I've just checked, these are now discontinued. This is a slightly different screenshot. It won't even take me to my original item. Breathable lightweight running shoes, £10.27. It's fashion, mate, it's fashion. Oh, look at these.
They must be good if they've been discontinued.
Oh, look at that.
They actually look, they are the same as this. They've just put a different top on.
Yeah, that's fabric though. Oh, wow. They are actually really comfy. They are.
They look so bizarre.
Oh, this is fashion.
They
look a bit big for you, Mrs. B.
Just a bit.
I would wear both of them again if no one saw me wearing them. This for £3.98, which comes in so many different colours. It is a dumpling moulder and maker. It's fairly self-explanatory. We'll give it a clean and that'll be that. We put our pastry in here, press it down to get the perfect shape to do our dumpling press. And from the Wish video, one of them, I actually had one of these separately, but we should then be able to turn that over and put our filling in. It gives us an actual scoop to get our filling neatly portioned into there. And this thing is basically just called a cord buckle. And that goes in the end here. And I guess that's to hang it on a wall, and that's literally all that does. It's not telling me to do this, but I do want to add a little bit of flour. All right, here we go. Feels very lightweight, but we'll push it down. Oh, wow. Come on. I need to help it. I shouldn't have to do this. Don't tell anyone. Let's try that again. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, oh, wow. That's better. That's good. It's slightly bigger for that, but we'll press it in anyway. We'll then get the scoop. Now this is some dynamite hot chili. Press that over and oh look, it's exploding out. Can you see that? Too much filling in that. However, it has encased the rest of it. And if we take, a lot of people say, Barry, what is your favourite kitchen gadget? One of the most popular questions I get asked. And it's gonna sound quite boring, but kitchen scissors is I know it's not the most crazy thing, but look at that. It's like a little pasty. Well, there we go. The £3.98 dumpling maker. Did the job. That's all right. This, next to Mrs. B on the screen right now, is an automatic, although it's not automatic, toothpaste dispenser that was £2.18. Again, available in a variety of colours. So I wrote to Mrs. B because I don't think this is going to work. I've had a little look at it already.
Nice colour.
Thank you.
Okay, so we can put it on the wall if we want.
That's not in English, is it?
No. I'll go by the pictures.
Yeah, it does wall mount. Look, on the back there's a big sticky patch. So if you wanted to keep this forever, you could literally just go boom up there.
Well, it matches the kitchen.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah.
If we want toothpaste in the kitchen, the top here, the toothpaste should sit in there, and it's just a plug. There's no thread in it, it's just a silicone plug. So the aim is that you put your toothbrush in here and push through, and then it will get toothpaste out, okay?
Okay.
Good luck.
Thanks. I'm just pushing it in, is that right?
But I don't get how it's going to do it, because there's no pressure coming from here.
No.
So I'll leave you with it.
Let me get the instructions.
It's genuinely my toothbrush. Anyhow, since the start of this video, there has been something on charge. And it's actually a bit dangerous because I'll show you. This for £9.48 has been on charge, USB style-y, is the wireless portable blender. Like genuinely in here, there are blender blades.
It is working.
What?
Look at that. Ready?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that is like a massive ice cream dispenser.
I have no idea, but it is.
That is crazy. That smells amazing. I really want to brush my teeth now. Anyhow, I'm going to try and use this smoothie maker. That's cool, it works, right?
It works.
Well, there's your lid, and then obviously if you want to drink it so no bits, major, big bits that is, come out. But let me get rid of this cable to show you. Look, this is lethal. But this is like pretty cool. It's even got like a little hook strap. Yes, it's a 380 milliliter capacity for less than a £10 portable blender. But it does boast a little bit on the box. It has got some harder vegetables in there, such as a carrot and an apple, which is not going to be that easy to chop up. So we'll start with two easy things. In case you're wondering, yes, I did opt for pink, and I did have to open this tin with my manual tin opener. And here we go. If we double click this. Oh no. Oh no, the weight of the pineapple is not making the motor go. What? I do not want to muck about with this. Because as bad, this does not bode well, does it? As bad as those blades are, they are sharp. Oh no, it's jammed. What the heck? That is ridiculous. Come on. Let me try putting a little bit of milk in there. Let's help it. Let's give it a little shimmy. Let's take the weight off the blades. There we go. It's just giving up. It is giving up. It's moving on its own and it's given up. It was literally starting to move. Right, I think that's as good as we're gonna do. Nutritious. And look at that, there's still lumps of pineapple in there. And pineapple, you know, it's not the hardest thing. Well, that tastes really bizarre. Wow. All right, let's do something a bit silly. No lid on, so that we're gonna drop the strawberry straight onto the blade, which should help it. Actually sort of worked. It kind of went pfft. Again, just maybe a little bit of moisture in there to help it. So we'll just strain that through some old pineapple pulp as well. Yeah, it's all right. But it says it could do a carrot, and I don't like the sound of this. Well, it half liked a carrot. So if you ever need a carrot cake, this could be for you. Right, last one. Is this 4-hole marble coated non-stick pan, and it's designed for doing eggs, omelettes, pancakes, burgers and steaks. And you cook bacon in it, you could just cook whatever you want. It's basically a frying pan with divided sections. I don't want to go too crazy on it. And I do love the point on here where it says, non-stick coating, safe and healthy, easy to cook, easy to leave stains. I really feel like leaving some stains today. Look how damaged it is, it's amazing. That is some industrial strength tape on there as well, wow. Here it is. Is this the... what? Oh, okay, yeah, you generally have a screw on here and we've got to put that, of course we've got to do it ourselves. So I'm gonna need to wash this and go get a screwdriver. Well, here we go then, that looks a little bit weird, but I've spray oiled the 4 sections. I've also got some pancake mix here, my omelette mix, and I thought I'd cook some bacon up first actually. I don't know, just to kind of get some peace of mind with this pan a little bit, I guess. These compartments are very small. So let's try the pancake and the omelette. You can see the bubbles forming in the pancake already. That's when you normally need to start thinking about flipping it, but I'm hoping I can get under it. It's tricky, oh my gosh. Oh no! Okay, we'll do another pancake. Although, I've had worse. You've seen that. There, look what the bacon did to the pan. Let's get under it. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Here we go. Yes! We've done the omelette. Ooh, running the spatula underneath it. Oh my gosh. It's not the easiest thing in the world. Look at that. Bit of pepper in the egg as it cooks. So symmetrical, isn't it? Omelette, eggs, pancakes and bacon. Yeah, bacon's alright. The omelette, which is nicely charred both sides. That's fine. Pancake. Oh, it feels a bit tough, a bit chewy. And the egg, ooh, with a nice charred bottom. It's still hot. Oh my gosh, that was still hot. It all tastes a bit panny. I can't explain it. What? I mean, it tastes like the frying pan. I gave it a blooming good clean. It sort of worked. And remember, there's a massive version of that where I've done like the whole breakfast one. You know, you do sausages, bacon, and everything in that. I think if you do one thing and stick to one recipe in it, it's pretty cool. The patron that gets that, I'll sign the handle. And yes, I will unscrew it for shipping. But on the whole, these have all been pretty darn stonking in their own way. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out the rest of the Kitchen Gadget playlist. It goes on for absolute hours. I want to know what your favourite one is today. I actually think this was my favourite one. The worst one I think was unfortunately this, but maybe it has potential if that wasn't so bent and broken. So cheers for watching. Remember to give the video a like and a subscribe if you did enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Ciao for now. I'd like to apologise in advance that even by watching this video, if we now get loads of adverts for this company, it's just a small fraction of the amount that I've had ever since I placed an order, so